उनके सब करीब होते हैं जिनके पास पैसा होता है, कि उनके सब करीब होते हैं जिनके पास पैसा होता है, उनका कोई नहीं होता जो गरीब होता है। मैं सबके तलवे चाटू ऐसी थोड़ी हूँ कि मैं सबके तलवे चाटू ऐसी थोड़ी हूँ, सबको पसंद आ जाऊँ पैसा थोड़ी हूँ।
Today there is so much poverty. People are unable to read properly. Today there is so much poverty. People are able to eat the food one time properly.
Yes, sir.
So ladies and gentlemen, remove your poverty by your discipline. Remove your poverty by your hard work. Remove your poverty by your mind, ladies and gentlemen.
Money is very important for our life. Money is very important in every time, ladies and gentlemen. Money is not money. Money is not money. Money is your life, ladies and gentlemen. Money is your life. Money is your not money. Money is your power, ladies and gentlemen. Power.
Do you know, ladies and gentlemen, poverty is very bad. Because of poverty, many child are not able to eat the food. Because of poverty, many child are not able to eat wear the cloth. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have home, you have education, you have money, but ladies and gentlemen, but how are those people living who do not have a home to live in and
Yes.
no cloth to wear? How will survive this winter, ladies and gentlemen? You think, ma'am? You think, sir?
Yes.
You think, ma'am? अरे साफ कह दो ना, हम नहीं सोच सकते गरीबों के बारे में, क्योंकि पत्थर बन चुके हैं हम इस जमाने में।
If you have this power, people will respect you. If you have this power, people will salam you. If you have this power, people will respect you, ladies and gentlemen.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you must have seen many child speaking. You must have seen many child sleep on the road. But, ladies and gentlemen, he does not sleep on the road by choice because of poverty. वो अपनी इच्छा से नहीं सोते रोड पे. Poverty is not poverty. Poverty is your bad luck. Poverty is not poverty. Poverty is your painful death. कि दर्दनाक मौत भी गरीबी की वजह से ही होती है, कि दर्दनाक मौत भी गरीबी की वजह से ही होती है. इसमें बच्चे का बूढ़े का ये सबको उठवा देती है.
By this weapon, you can achieve your goal. By this weapon, you can achieve your dream. By this weapon, you can achieve your future. By this weapon, you can achieve your parents' dream, ladies and
gentlemen. Why are you poor? Because of overpopulation. Why are you poor? Because of lack of education. So, ladies and gentlemen, education is not education. Education is your need. So, thank you for listening me. You have been great audience of that.
Very important for our life, but money is not important, because by this money you can medicines. By this money you can medicines, but not health. By this money you can purchase cloth. By this money you can purchase cloth, but not personality. By this money you can purchase mic, ladies and gentlemen. By this money you can purchase mic, ladies and gentlemen, but not confidence. टूट जाते हैं रिश्ते गरीबी में जो खास होते हैं, कि टूट जाते हैं रिश्ते गरीबी में जो खास होते हैं. जिनके पास पैसा होता है उनके सब यार होते हैं.